In the name of Allah, the Gracious, the Merciful. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear friends, today's program, our Really Today, we will show our program, Reality Theft, Family, Emomali Rahman. This time, we dedicated the third issue of the magazine, Seme Kanyus, 3, to one of the members of the family. A few years ago, this person was considered the closest relative of Rachmaninoff. There was a person who, at the 16th session of the Supreme Council of Tajikistan in Khujand, proudly declared to all the people of Tajikistan, "I have a brother who is a tractor driver, and that's it." In fact, Rachmaninoff indicated that at that time he had a brother who is a tractor driver, and emphasized his profession, a tractor driver. This meant that, I am like people. We are tractor drivers. We are not big people. We are simple. Like you, only my brother is a tractor driver. He wanted to say that he belongs to the people and will remain with the people. But, yes, you understood correctly. We are talking about Nuruddin's brother, a tractor driver, who later became one of the billionaires and leaders of the shadow of Tajikistan, and played an effective role in personnel policy and the placement of state personnel. This is the main idea of this article. Nuruddin, who mysteriously left the world several years ago,